Good morning. We are extremely pleased that you are here again. Are you enjoying your time-space reality? Are you eager for more? You're in the perfect stance, aren't you? Happy where you are and eager for more, expectant of more, anticipating more. You like being the creator of your own reality? You know for sure that you are? And can you feel your moment by moment engagement with source energy who is with you in every moment? You're appreciating one another? Are you enjoying the ideas that hatch within you? Are you beginning to feel the clarity of the receptive mode? And are you realizing your own realization is about alignment? Do you like the feeling of understanding? Think about understanding. It's the basis of that which you are and the way it is playing out in your powerful now. Do you know how understood you are? Sit with that for a minute. How understood you are. In other words, we like it when you realize and have understanding, but we want you to feel what it means for you to be utterly and completely understood. That's that validation that you are looking for all the time. That's that reason that sometimes you feel you need to justify yourself, is because sometimes you are not in the state of realizing how understood you are, how supported by that which has come before, and how surrounded by that which is in your current now, and how precious you are to the whole process, and how brilliant you are within the process, and how understood you are, meaning how adored you are, meaning how important you are. If you can focus on that just a little more and watch for evidence of your own realization of it. You see, whether you realize it or not, you are understood. And when you think you need to justify something, you're not knowing how understood you are. When you feel that you have to explain something or defend something or guard something or try to find safety from something or protect yourself from something, you are not in that moment realizing how understood you are. You all, we love you so much. You know what's coming next. Are looking for love in all the wrong places, because where it is in that understanding that you seek. So now what do you want to talk about? A lot of trouble in this room.